If you manage a commercial or multifamily property in Virginia, you've probably had this exact conversation. Let's add EV charging. What will that cost? $30,000. And that's where the whole thing comes to a grinding halt. That's because up until now, installing EV chargers meant a serious capital expense with no clear return. It was just another costly amenity, not an investment. But what if there's a program that flips that math completely? For most properties, it means zero money down and cash flow positive from month one. I'm Nick McNulty with Blue Whale EV. Our team has installed hundreds of EV chargers across the Mid-Atlantic. But we're more than just electricians, we're EV charging experts, making sure our customers get their charging project done right the first time. We're also an installation partner for Dominion Energy's Level 2 charging program. That's the program that makes that $30,000 problem go away. Here's how it works. Dominion covers half of your entire infrastructure build-out, including the trenching, conduit, and panel upgrades. The rest of the cost, including the chargers themselves, well, you've got some options. You can procure through Dominion and pay a low monthly fee on your bill, or you can procure and install your own qualifying chargers. Either way, Dominion's gonna pay half of that make-ready cost. After the chargers are up and running, Dominion handles all of that ongoing maintenance on the make-ready infrastructure for the duration of the program. If you've got the chargers through Dominion, that coverage extends to the chargers as well. But here's where it gets really interesting. You get to set the price that drivers are going to pay as they charge. As long as that price is higher than what you're paying Dominion for the electricity, you're gonna pocket the difference. For a typical install, you can expect a monthly financing payment in the low hundreds. Based on our projections, the revenue that those chargers are gonna generate can be 2 to 3 times that, though the actual results will vary based on your property and usage. That does mean that you could be net positive from the very first month. No break-even period, no waiting around for adoption to catch up. The chargers will pay for themselves, that's built into the math. But the real ROI is really what it does for your core business. In a multifamily complex, charging attracts and retains tenants. In commercial and retail buildings, it's a differentiator your competitors don't have yet. So that's the Dominion program. But what other incentives does your property qualify for? What does the actual revenue look like? How does it affect your asset value? We answer all of that and more in a free EV charging report built for your specific property using real-world demand data. There's no commitment, there's no sales pitch, just the numbers you'll need to make a smart decision. Head over to bluewhaleev.com/EV-report or scan the QR code on the screen now to request your property-specific EV report today.